Welcome to the Little Wondering Minds. Let's play a fun learning game of spotting the differences between similar-looking animals. Duck versus goose. Ducks are smaller, have flat beaks, make quack sounds. Geese are bigger, longer necks, make honking sounds. Fun fact, geese are better flyers than ducks. Let's move to the next one. Tarantula versus spider. Tarantulas are big and hairy, fangs face downwards. Regular spiders are small, fangs are sideways in true spiders. Fun fact, tarantulas flick hairs to defend themselves. Next one is alligator versus crocodile. Alligators have U-shaped snout, darker color, are typically found in freshwater habitats like swamps and rivers. Crocodiles have V-shaped snout, lighter, larger, more aggressive, and can tolerate both freshwater and saltwater environments, often inhabiting coastal areas and estuaries. Fun fact, you can see crocodile teeth even when its mouth is closed. Impala versus deer. Impalas are from Africa, slimmer, with black stripes, have permanent, unbranched horns. Deer are found worldwide and are generally larger with branched antlers that they shed and regrow annually. Fun fact, impalas can jump really high. Zebu versus cow. Zebus have a big hump on their back and are common in India. Regular cows don't have humps. Fun fact, zebus are great in hot weather. Leopard versus cheetah. Leopard has rosette-shaped spots, strong climber, stockier build. Cheetah, solid black spots, slim and built for speed, black, clear lines on the face. Fun fact, cheetahs are the fastest land animals. Black bear versus brown bear. Black bear, smaller, straight face profile. Brown bear, grizzly bigger, shoulder hump, longer claws. Fun fact, black bears can be brown, and brown bears can be blonde. Llama versus alpaca. Llama, larger, long face, used for carrying loads. Alpaca, smaller, fluffy face, prized for soft wool. Fun fact, both spit when angry, but alpacas do it less. Dolphin versus porpoise. Dolphin, long beak, curved dorsal fin, more playful. Porpoise, shorter nose, triangular dorsal fin, shy nature. Fun fact, dolphins love to jump and surf the waves. Python versus boa. Pythons, generally larger and native to the Old World, Africa, Asia, and Australia. Boa, typically smaller and primarily found in the Americas. Fun fact, neither are venomous, they squeeze their prey. Great job, little animal expert! Now you know how to tell them apart. Which animal pair was your favorite? Tell us in the comments.
We share something new every day. To get the updates, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.